Understanding moving upon in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, moving upon. This expression has its roots in the game of chess, but it's also a metaphor used in everyday conversation. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it to enrich your English communication. In chess, moving upon refers to advancing one of the 8 small pieces that each player begins with. Pawns are unique because they move forward but capture diagonally. They are often considered the least powerful pieces but can be promoted if they reach the opponent's end of the board. When we take this phrase out of the chess context, moving a pawn symbolizes a small or initial action that can lead to a significant strategy or result. It can imply manipulation, as pawns are typically the pieces sacrificed first, or it can signify a modest beginning with the potential for great importance later on. Let's look at some examples. In business, moving a pawn might mean delegating a minor task to see how an employee handles responsibility. In a discussion, someone might say, "They're just moving pawns," suggesting that the apparent actions are part of a larger, possibly unseen, strategy. To use this phrase correctly in conversation, ensure the context involves strategy or initial steps. It's a powerful metaphor when discussing plans, tactics, or even personal development. Here's how you could use it. I felt like I was just moving pawns in my first job, but it taught me valuable lessons about the industry. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing phrase, moving a pawn, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step, or in chess terms, with moving a pawn. Until our next lesson, keep practicing. And don't hesitate to reach out with phrases you're curious about.